Welcome back to the next video tutorial of our new one-hand gimbal system, the Maverick. Today I tell you more about the multifunctional handle. You can control your Sony, Panasonic or Canon camera through the handle to stop recording, take photos, get in focus or zoom in out with your motorized lens. To achieve that, connect the camera control cable from the pitch motor to your camera and select the camera manufacturer in the setup menu. To power on and off the Maverick, press and hold the power button for around 2 seconds. With the 5-way joystick, you can pan left and right and tilt up and down. If you press one time the joystick, gimbal will move back to the home position. If you press 2 times, it will turn into the selfie mode. Press 3 times, the motors are powered off, so you can easily change your lens. Press again 3 times to power on the motors. Press 4 times to start the time-lapse function. Press 5 times to repeat your last time-lapse. Press and hold the joystick button to start the fast follow mode. Use the mode button to activate the other modes. Press 1 time to enter the pitch lock mode. Pitch is locked, but panning is still possible. Press 2 times, will enter the follow mode. Gimbal is following up and down, left and right. Press 3 times to enter the all lock mode. All axes are locked. Press 4 times to enter the all follow mode. Gimbal is following in all directions. Press 5 times to enter the pitch follow mode. Tilting is possible, panning is locked. Press 6 times to enter the Dutch roll mode. Hold the gimbal system in the flashlight position and use the joystick to roll your camera. The active mode will be displayed on the OLED display. The Maverick comes with 5 pre-configured payload ranges. By clicking the menu button, you can choose the payload range from 500 gram up to 4.2 kilogram. The active weight range will be displayed on the OLED and counted up from 1 to 5. So, that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next video where I will show you the multifunctional OLED display.